In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Facebook profile so visitors can see and play a song directly from your profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. Once your profile opens, scroll down a little until you find the music section on your profile. If you see it, tap on Music to open it. Inside this section, tap the plus icon or Add Music option. This will open Facebook's music library where you can search for songs. Use the search bar at the top to find the song you want, or browse through the available options. When you find the song you like, tap on it to add it to your profile's music list. After adding the song, it will appear in your music section and visitors can tap it to listen. If you want to pin the song to your profile so it appears at the top, tap the three dots next to the song and select Pin to Profile. The song will now appear under your profile information for others to see. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.